Introducing Effi Chain, the smart solution revolutionizing modern supply chains with unmatched efficiency, accuracy, and adaptability. Modern supply chains are increasingly complex and face critical issues. Businesses struggle with inaccurate demand forecasting, inefficient logistics, and lack of real time visibility. These lead to delays, excess costs, and missed sales. Existing systems do not effectively integrate AI automation, making it hard for companies to respond proactively to changes in demand, supply, or external factors.
Our solution is an AI-powered web platform that intelligently manages supply chains end-to-end. First, we use machine learning to predict demand accurately by analyzing historical sales, seasonal patterns, and external factors like weather or economics. Then, we optimize inventory by predicting stock needs and improving warehouse efficiency. For logistics, our platform calculates optimal delivery routes in real time, saving both time and cost. Finally, a real-time dashboard offers full visibility into orders and deliveries while proactively flagging risk or disruption using AI. This ensures companies make smarter, faster decisions across the supply chain.
Effi Chain is a fast API-powered backend designed for streamlined order, procurement, and supply management. In just few clicks, you can create new orders, upload and pass EDI files, update existing orders, and check shipment status. The procurement module lets you manage RFQs and purchase orders efficiently, while the supplier's API enables full CRUD operations to keep supplier data up to date.
This workflow uses past sales data to predict future demand. We clean the data, build a prediction model, and forecast what amount customers will buy in future months. These predictions then flow through our supply chain, helping us maintain the right inventory levels and create timely orders. The system connects with suppliers and gets better over time through feedback, reducing cost and keeping customers happy.
This is our AI agent system. This transforms both vendor and customer communications. The supply agent handles procurement by auto-drafting vendor emails when a product order is created, and then intelligently processing incoming responses by updating databases with confirmations or flagging exceptions. And this is our sales AI agent. So this analyzes customer interactions by analyzing inquiries and extracting key details like product order numbers and delivery dates. Then it creates appropriate quotas and orders. So both maintain human oversight by eliminating most manual work. The result, faster responses, fewer errors, and consistent communication over the supply chain.
So this is our current progress. Thank you.